Hey, I'm Garrett with Big Agnes, and I'm here to tell you about our Cyclone and Big Easy Chair Kits. The Cyclone kit is comprised of ultralight nylon with a larger ripstop yarn for enhanced tear strength. Silicone coating on both sides adds extra durability. Fit any 20-inch wide pad into this kit for an ultralight camp chair. The Big Easy kit is constructed of 100D Robic ripstop nylon with a 300D polyester yarn for lightweight strength and durability. Two size options allow for the conversion of a regular 20-inch pad or a wide 25-inch pad to be converted into a simple camp chair. Both the Cyclone and Big Easy chair kits feature aluminum stays that ensure stable support whether at an outdoor concert or eating ramen by the campfire. A convenient, low-profile storage sack makes stuffing a kit into your pack for a last-minute addition quick and easy. Hey, there's nothing better than taking a load off your tired feet after a long day on the trail. The Cyclone and Big Easy chair kits are your ultralight option for a backcountry chair without the added weight and bulk.